Hello guys, today I want to help you how to make a squishy. So first, you'll need to have something drawn. On in paper fold the pepper into sides. I have the one chip challenge but you can have what you want. Now we are gonna put tape over the drawing so it sparkles and has better quality. And now you will cut the drawing from the paper. Then tape a corner so you won't lose one part. Now tape the rest of it. But leave a quarter where you can. Shove the stuffing in. I use stuffing, but you can use toilet paper, but it won't have the same squish. Also, you can use normal paper, but the quality will be super bad. And that's it. The last step is to squish. I really hope I helped you because I enjoyed making this squishy with you. This is really bad but I don't know what got into me because usually I made them super cool. See you next time. Bye.